Hi, my name's Bree. Welcome back to Inebriated.
And I'm Lee, and today we're making the Atomic Daiquiri.
Let's get inebriated.
And that's how you make the Atomic Daiquiri. This drink is very, very tasty, beautiful color. I'm gonna keep sipping on it while you tell us about the drink.
So there's a drink called the Nuclear Daiquiri that's got things like green chartreuse in it, other real high proof stuff in there. That's expensive. Green chartreuse is like a $60 bottle. It's fantastic, don't get me wrong.
Okay.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
So what I did was I actually happened to have this Amaro. This is from Dark Door Spirits, actually out of Tampa. Went down there for a little work trip. Check them out. Fantastic place. Make sure to go check them out if you're ever in Tampa. So I saw the Amaro. I was like, that's sort of like green chartreuse, not really, but closest thing I got. So I was like, I'll just try it with that, and also that blood orange syrup. I did happen to get that from them. It is made by someplace else in Austin, Texas, but they were selling it there. I was like, I'll pick it up, use a video, why not? Got a Navy Strength as well. That's where the atomic part is also coming from, because 55% get you there.
I really like the blood orange cordial that we've been using, and that is very tasty even on its own.
I think half an ounce is the perfect amount for it, because it adds like the bitterness, but it doesn't destroy your tongue like some things can.
It is a little tart, but I kind of like that. It makes me want to drink it a little bit slower, so maybe the atomic part won't hit me as hard. But overall, really good cocktail, super easy, only 3-4 ingredients. Check out the recipe in the description below, and also on our website. There's other cocktails on our website and on the YouTube channel as well. And come in and see us sometime. Until next time, cheers.
Cheers.